Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have a makeup playdate with you guys, and as you guys can see, I look a little bit different from my normal makeup playdates because today I have a new product that I want to share with you guys that involves me showing you how to apply it on my face. So obviously my makeup playdates are for things to share with you guys of either I've been using or new products that I wanted to share with you guys. So here's my first one. This was a nice surprise in my P.O. box. This is called the Stand Out Beauty Company. It's a makeup blending sponge. So this is what the actual packaging looks like of it. And this is what the product looks like. This is made out of like that memory foam stuff, polyurethane foam. So it's different, and I purposely brought in a wet Real Technique sponge so I could kind of feel the difference. This one is so air-like, and it just has a different texture to it. I don't even know how to describe it. It's softer than this one. I don't know. I've been using this one quite a bit. I just cleaned it up, and you guys can see it cleans up pretty nicely. I use it all the time. Now, how are you supposed to use this? The warmth of your skin is needed for the sponge to reach its optimal softness for use, which I think it does. It's recommended to use a sponge damp for the first 3 to 5 uses, and then that's the break period where you're like, breaking it in. After that, water is optional, which I kind of don't agree with that comment or that statement, because how am I supposed to not wet it if I need to wash it? You know what I mean? Like, so I'm gonna wash it, so it's gonna get wet. So to me, that doesn't make any sense. So anyway, that's just my opinion. And then it's used as a finishing tool by lightly patting or rolling over the face, leaving a seamless blended face. So basically, this rounded part right here is to roll or press your foundation or any large areas. The triangular sections, which are cut in a little bit more, they're not just straight blunt, they have like a little divot in them, are used to apply concealer and powder under the eyes. And then this flat area right here is supposed to for contour your jaw, your cheek, your nose. So I have been playing around with this, and I wanted to put it on camera for you guys so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dab my foundation on my face. You guys can see how it works. Now, at first, I'm gonna pat this so you guys can see. At first, I was not convinced. I'm like, what the heck is this thing? But the more I used it, the more I kind of like this. Would it replace my sponge? I'm not sure yet. I think I have to see it long term to see how well it holds up to all the washes that I do to it, to wear and tear. Basically, I have used it for everything on my face, and my favorite things to use this for is for foundation and for cream products. I don't like this sponge so much for under eye. I think it's still too big. It doesn't have like that pointed edge where I can really get in there. As you guys can see, it does blend everything out really nicely. Like, I have no problem, and I can roll this if I want to, but I still kind of smush it in there. Now I'm going to show you something real quick, and this is the one drawback to it. I feel like it soaks up a lot of my product, as you guys can see there. It's soaking up so much of my foundation, so that's why I'm a little hesitant about this product, because of the fact that I feel like it soaks up my product. So I like it and I don't like it at the same time, because I'm wasting product. But it does blend out everything nice, and I don't have a problem with that at all. So now that I did my face, I had my brows done before, obviously, I put on my face. I'm going to do the rest of my normal face, and then we're going to do the Playdate with the eyes, and then I'll come back to the sponge to do cream blush and cream highlight, so you guys can see it in action there, because I have used it like that as well. Okay, so now that we have the face done, we'll come back to the cheek and the highlight in a second. I want to do the eyes. So today I want to play with the Looxi Temptation collection. This came out in October, and I had put on my Insta stories whether you guys wanted me to do 2 looks, 1 palette, or just do it makeup playdate, and 100% of you guys said makeup playdate with these. These are stunning, you guys. I love these shadows. I feel like Looxi Beauty knows how to do collections so well because they have a variety of bright shades, but these are like sultry. This is like the perfect palette. So I think, for there I am. Now I think we're gonna start out, oh my goodness, this is so hard. I think I want to do this orange right here, which is called Shh, which is a cute name, and it's a matte, and they're are so pigmented, so you have to be careful. So I'm going to put this in the crease. I'm going to grab this yellow right here called Take a Bite. I'm just going to blend the top part of that orange. Now for the lid, I'm going to use Sleep Forever. You guys knew I couldn't resist this shade. I'm not going to wet my brush. Just going to put this on. Oh my Lord, that is gorgeous. Oh, that is beautiful. I love their collections. I've only purchased twice from them, but I mean to tell you, their collections are amazing. My only complaint with Looxi is the fact that they do not keep any collections for a long period of time so people can actually save up to get them. I feel like they discontinue things way too fast. It's my only gripe with them. But these collections are beautiful. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. For the outer part, I'm going to grab this matte purple called Cursed. Just going to pack this on the outer part of it. I'm just going to blend that out with that brush that we used the orange with, but not adding any more product. All right, for the lower lash line, what shall we do? I think I'm gonna go with the orange, which is Shh, and then blend it out with Curse, which was that purple, that matte purple. For the inner corner, I want to go in with Tricked, which is this foiled or yellowish shade. This is gonna look beautiful. Okay, so for the waterline, I think I'm gonna go with like a purple shade. I'm gonna do wing liner, lashes, and then I'll come back and then I'm gonna show you the rest of the face. Okay, so I did the eyes. Now we're going to do the cheek, and I'm going to use my multi-stick in Cashew by Bite Beauty. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Grab the sponge here, and it says to use this side here, so I'm going to just bounce here, and then bounce it here. And it does give a nice, soft airbrush look, but again, I feel like it absorbs the product. And last but not least, we're going to use a cream highlighter. I'm going to use this Trestique one in Maldives Luminescent, which I'm going to grab the other side and do the same thing. For the lips, I think I'm going to go with Bite Beauty Glacé on here. I'm going to add a little bit of this gloss, which is by Estee Lauder. I don't think they make this anymore. It's called Pink Innocence in Shimmer. All right, you guys, so now to recap this stands out sponge that I mentioned to you guys. I like it, but not for everything. I like it for foundation. If it is a light day coverage, I do like it for cream blush and cream highlight. I just don't like the fact that it soaks up my product so much. As you guys can see there, it soaks up a lot of product. So that's the downfall to it, and I feel like I will have to eventually wet this again because I gotta wash it. So that whole claim of you don't have to wet it, I don't really believe that one too much. So as far as the eyeshadows, I am such a fan of Looxi Beauty. So yes, 100%, if this is still available while this video goes up, I would absolutely recommend it. It is so beautiful. If you guys want me to do another look with the other shadows I didn't use, let me know. I'd be more than happy to. I just love this. Mixing that green with the purple on the outer part, I'm getting like this duochrome type of look. I love it. Love it. I'm a fan. I am 100% fan of Looxi Beauty eyeshadows. Yes, yes, and yes. I think that's all the new stuff I did try. The highlighter, blush I've used before, the lip products I've used before. So I think that's it for this makeup playdate. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will list and link all the products down in the description box. Thank you so much to Stand Out for sending this to me. I did not get paid for that. It just was a total surprise in my P.O. box. I didn't even know they were sending it to me, so thank you. I will still continue to use it because I do like it. It's not a bad product. It's just, you know, some makeup sponges also soak up your product and you still use them, so I like it. I do enjoy it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.